Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can customize your screen timeout on your Nothing phone. First of all, thanks to MySwoop for providing us with this phone today. To customize your screen timeout, you want to go to your settings and then click on a display, and then you want to go down to where is it? To screen timeout. I missed it. And here you can see now that you have different options from 15 seconds to 30 minutes. And right now it's set to 30 minutes. That's because of our videos and we don't want the screen to black out every other second. But you can choose whatever you like best. Personally, I think 15 seconds and 30 seconds are a bit too short. Also, 30 minutes, 10 minutes are a bit of a safety issue for me because people can get to my phone if it's like just laying there unattended. Yeah, so you can choose whatever you want. We're gonna choose 15 seconds for demonstration reasons right now. And then we also have screen attention here. Prevents your screen from turning off if you're looking at it. So even if your timer is set to 15 seconds, this is turned on, and then when you look at it, your screen will not turn off. I don't know what to think about it. I think it's a bit creepy, honestly, that your phone is like watching you, but also a pretty cool feature. So we set it to 15 seconds now, and then we go back and just wait a little while. And now you can see the screen got darker and now it's totally turned off. And now if we click on it, we have to unlock our phone with the right pin to get back into it. So that's how you customize your screen timeout on your Nothing phone. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, like, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.